everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Muskan Qureshi and today we are going to have actually a very big haul because I have bought around 15 to 20 heels from Meesho, and trust me, you are going to love each and every pair because I have picked each pair very carefully from Meesho. So without wasting any time further, let's start the video. Just have a look at the packaging. It's already saying that I am not just a heel, I'm a statement. How carefully they have secured the heel. Black heel is actually giving the pure luxury vibe. Have a look at this golden metal stud. It's giving me the statement vibes. I hope that I am able to give each detail about this heel because this is too much and I don't know if I am expressing it in a right way. Next up, we have this heel which is effortlessly sleek and elegant, as you can see. We talk about the material, it is very smooth, rich, and it is giving me the feel of luxury. Just look how glossy it is. Oh my god, very sexy actually. This piece looks like that it belongs from a high-end designer collection, but as we got it from Meesho, so we all know that definitely we got it for a very affordable and cheap price. So yeah. Next up, I have this. This is a platform high heel. I feel that this heel is giving me the major attitude, but it's playful. Design is just so clean, smooth, and way too elegant. How glossy finish they have put into it. I love that factor. This will effortlessly go with any of your outfit, any of your event, whether it's day, night. It will definitely go with anything you style up. This is actually another gem that we found from Meesho, and your girl is not going to wait here. She will find more gems like this. So let's go on the next one. Next up, I have this. This is a lemon yellow color heel, and by looking at this, I'm feeling that cuteness is overloaded, isn't it? Can you see this thick, fluffy cushion on the top? Like, it is giving me the feeling that they have given a small, tiny pillow for your feet. How cute of that, like seriously. This heel is actually super comfy, super fluffy, and it's too adorable to ignore. Next up is this hot pink heel. The matte finish on this heels gives it modern vibes and it is looking very elegant. She is bold, she is feminine, and she is unapologetically pretty. So that's all for this one. Let's go on to the next one. Next up, I have this brown loafer and it is pure aesthetic. This is for those days when you want to look very sharp and comfortable. This is a staple that a person should definitely have in their wardrobe. So that's all for this one. Let's hop into the next one. Next up, we have this chocolatey heel and the material is satin. If you notice the heel over here, it's a thin pencil short heel. And one thing I would say about it, definitely it's looking very classy and the cuteness is over here as they have given a bow on the top. But there is a problem. When I wore it, I felt that this is not steady. It's not comfortable to walk for long. So think before you buy this. I feel that the quality is lacking in this heel. ये जो ऊपर का हिस्सा है ना यहाँ पे, see here. They have stick this thing with glue, and definitely there are many heels that people stick their materials with glue, but the glue which they have used in this one doesn't look like it's premium glue. So yeah, you need to think before buying this one. Rest, it's very pretty look wise but not quality wise. Okay. Next up, we have this loafer, which is perfect mix of class and contrast in terms of colors. In this loafer, the whole body is of creamy matte finish. And if we notice on the toe side, they have given this glossy black detailing, which is actually very pretty in look wise. And it's actually very girlish too. I think there were some more colors there. So you can choose whichever you like. So that's all for this one. We will go on to the next one. Next up, we have this hot pink satin heel, and it's a platform heel. Of course, it's very comfortable and it is looking too dramatic. Because of the satin material, it is looking very eye catchy, very luxurious, and like it's very shiny and glossy as well. It's bold, it's bright, and it's made to turn heads for sure.